As per studies, 84% of people don't love the job they do. Job satisfaction surveys showing lower and lower trends. Most of the people working in corporates feels like they have lost their identities. Over 90% of people, stress level is higher than ever before. Oof. Is it only money sweeping away all our happiness? Probably yes. Probably not. What to do when you are not enjoying your job? Let's find out in today's episode and know about the tricks which I applied to make a most of it what I had. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Prajwal Gaikwad and you are watching my series Meaningful Life, where we help to be you want to be. During my college days, while pursuing my engineering, I too had a dream of working in corporate offices which we used to see in movies. Handsome salaries, skyscraper offices, it all seemed just a step away till the third year of my engineering. But the recession of 2008 broke all our dreams all of a sudden. In those recession time, I completed my engineering. And the situation was like, jo job mila, wo sahi. Somehow, I got recruited in a steel manufacturing company. And the work style, the work culture was not at all what I had expected. On very first day, like any other engineering guy, I joined my duties with neat and clean white shirt and black trouser. And after the completion of my job, my condition was like this. My technician asked me to pull over the chain of a chain block to move out a pump from the scale pit, which was almost 40 meters deep. And like any other sincere guy, I did it. Without any hesitation, leaving behind all my pride and attitude which I had of being an engineer. Friends, I got the glimpses of hardship of working in steel industries. That day onwards, I used to go clean to the plant and would return like a filthy person. Even the dogs in my colony used to bark at me. I happily accepted that. Probably that's the beauty of working with the machines. Friends, while doing so, I learned the quality of acceptance and contentment. Most of the people do say that never be content. But I have a different perspective. Unless you are happy, unless you love what you do, how could you achieve the peace of mind? How many of you do agree with my perspective? Please let me know in the comment box. Friends, you and I always had an image of being someone which we always dream for. There was a period when I thought I could become a cricketer. A phase came when I thought I could become a singer. Then I discovered cooking myself. Then writer, then poet, and many more. But friends, while doing so, I enjoyed a lot. It gives me a pleasure, a happiness, but not the money. Friends, we have to understand at certain point of time, the things which we love to do seems infatuated. And if not so, we haven't tried enough to make our willings to earn for us. Or maybe we never thought in that way, isn't it? We live in a world where we often hear money is not everything. पैसा ही सब कुछ नहीं होता. I still remember I went to my boss for an increment. My boss said, "Hey, you are doing good. You are passionate, committed. But my advice to you, don't work for money." I don't understand why. Friends, suppose you are having a job and salary is left out of it. No. You have to be passionate, have to be committed. But there is no culture of giving salaries in that organization. Will you be working for that company? You won't. Ultimately, you are working for the money, isn't it? My brothers and sisters, isn't it confusing? जो करने की मेरी इच्छा है वह पैसा नहीं, और जहां पैसा है वो करने की मेरी इच्छा ही नहीं. I'll suggest a golden path in between these two. Over the period of time, I worked with many organizations and completed different assignments, though I was not good at many of those. Being a field engineer, I was never good at computers. And as I have said before, I was never good at communications. But the change in work culture and requirements of soft skill made me to learn computers. And 3 years before, when I had given a responsibility to host the office program, and the way I failed there made me to work on my speaking skills. And during these things, I learned and developed a quality of learning from the failures. Friends, the moment you are into right now, you have to enjoy it and love it. Work on it, focus on what and how you could deliver it in better manner. And even if you fail, then don't worry. You failed means you have tried something beyond your capabilities. Analyze the process. Analyze the positive and shortcoming of the process. Make it your base mark and work on it. Friends, my simple funda is that just love what you do and you will automatically tend to do what you love. Friends, this is my perspective towards life. What is your perspective? Please let me know in the comment box. And if you can relate my stories to your stories, then please come forward and share your story. Remember the word 3I. When you share your story, you have an opportunity to inform, to inspire, and to improve yourself as well. Friends, if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up. And do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I will upload my videos. So that's it for the today guys. This is Prajwal Gaikwad signing off. Thanks for watching and stay motivated.